In this video, we will talk about tuple data type. What is tuple? A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. In Python, tuples are written with parentheses or round brackets. Remember guys, lists are changeable and tuples are unchangeable. Let's start by creating a tuple. Tuple and list are one and the same. I don't want to bore you guys doing same methods, functions, applying. I'll just go through quick here. Tuple, and so creating a tuple, so use parenthesis. So list, will take character name, character like Thor, movie characters, Hulk, then my favorite and man. Yeah, there you go. Tuple has been created. So if you try to print the tuple, just type print tuple. So if I execute this, see, there you go, the tuple has been created. So the next would be negative indexing. So as I said guys, this same as string, the functions, if you just need to print the last number, last item, just print tuple of negative index -1. It will just give you the last item. It should be giving iron 1. See, ignore the first output. I'll just comment here, no more. If you want to print range of index, you can just type print tuple of, suppose if I want to print Thor and Hulk, -3 to 1. So if I execute this, yeah, there you go, Thor and Hulk. So we are done with range of index. Change of tuple values. Once tuple is created, you cannot change its value. Tuple are unchangeable or simply immutable. But there is a workaround. You can convert tuple into list, change the list, I mean adding an item, and convert list back to a tuple. This one headache of a process, guys, you can go through internet. So I don't need to waste your time because these are the same function that we gone through in last videos. If you want to just print the length of the tuple, you can just type print length of tuple. There you go, length of 3. The next concept would be create an tuple with just one item. To create an tuple with one item, you have to add comma after the item, otherwise Python will not recognize it as a tuple. For example, just type tp equals. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.